Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView tools on your phone. First, download the free TradingView app from your device's app store. Once installed, simply log in with your existing account or create a new one in just a few moments. The mobile interface is designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly get a market overview and access essential features right from your fingertips. It's a powerful platform, now conveniently in your pocket. Once you're in, selecting a symbol brings up its detailed chart. You can easily switch between different chart types, such as candlesticks or line charts, to suit your analysis style. Applying technical indicators is straightforward. Just tap the plus icon and choose from hundreds of options like the relative strength index or moving average convergence divergence. These tools help you identify potential trends and entry points with precision. TradingView's mobile app offers a comprehensive suite of drawing tools. You can easily add trend lines, identify support and resistance levels, or even apply Fibonacci retracements directly on your chart. To access these, simply tap the pencil icon. Furthermore, setting price alerts is incredibly useful. You'll receive instant notifications when a specific price level is reached, ensuring you never miss a crucial market event, even when away from your desk. Finally, managing your watch lists on the go is simple. You can create multiple personalized lists to track your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex pairs. The app also provides real-time market news and economic calendars, keeping you informed about events that could impact your trades. All your settings and watch lists seamlessly sync across all your devices, offering a consistent experience whether you're on your phone or desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.